Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I spent an off day. My nanny was away for a week, and when she came back, I decided to take a day off and rest. So I began with a little self-care, and I'm using the products I got from Mystical Little Things. They are on Instagram. They sell everything, shower essentials, body scrubs, yeah, everything self-care they have. Actually, their other name is Everything Self-Care. You can check them out on Instagram. For my face, I went in with the Garnier charcoal mask. You can use it as a wash, scrub, and mask. So I first cleansed my face with just water, and then I scrubbed, sorry, and then later I masked it with just the same thing, so you don't have to wash the scrub and then wash the mask. So it's one thing, you wash, scrub, and mask together, all together. After washing off the mask, I use this common brush to double cleanse to make sure that completely washed the These are the products that I used to moisturize and a body splash. Yeah, and then on the same day we went by Murugi. I went to find some fit. If you've been following me on Instagram, you'll see I really love that fit. Yeah, it fits my body perfectly. And then after the shopping, we went to lunch to get some lunch, and we went to a place called Kwamasai. The meat there, guys, you really have to try. Okay, I'm so bad with directions, but it's famous, Kwamasai. Yeah, it's in Karen. On our way, I was admiring these beautiful plants and pots on this road, and I think I'll go back to get some for my front yard. Yeah. After the lunch, we chilled a little bit with Baba Titi, and then we went to check on the businesses. We went to Easy Fix. They are located at the Bazaar, 12th floor, Wing A, Suite 1227. They sell everything, accessories, phones. Yeah, I know I say everything a lot. Yeah, they sell phone accessories, phone covers, chargers, everything. Just think of everything electronics they do, apart from now the huge electronics. Yeah, they sell iPhones, Samsung, laptops. Yeah, and then this is Parkbridge. It's a sister company to EasyFix. They're just opposite each other. Yeah, there you can find laptops, laptop chargers. Yeah, check them out. They are located at the bazaar. I've said that. Yeah. I hope you've enjoyed today's mini video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.